So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Google Authenticator app as a complete beginner's guide. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your Google Authentication apps. You can here either add a code manually or you can simply scan a QR code. Before we do that, let me show you the purpose of doing that. So the Google Authentication app basically helps us to generate a two-way factor authentication code in our security to make our security strong. So let me just head over to my settings and password and security. Inside password and security for Facebook, you can see two-factor authentication. As you can see, my two-factor authentication is enabled. It will ask me to enter my password. So once I enter my password, I will click on authentication app. As you can see, my authentication app is enabled. From here, once you click on this enable button, you will be set up asked to enter six digit code from the authentication app. Let me just show you by going over to authentication app. For my Facebook account, I already generated the the 6-digit code here. You can simply manually do that by clicking on here and enter plus icon here and entering a setup icon here, and you can simply type your Facebook account name here like this, and your key, and you can set up the time based or counter based, and you can your key which the Facebook provides you. From here, you can simply turn off your Google Auth two-way factor authentication from here as well. Let me just show you quickly. Yeah, just click on that, and as you can see here, the 6-digit code, once you turn on the authentication mode, it will give you provide you with the code here, and you can simply copy, or you can also view the barcode and scanner. But since I'm doing it in the same mobile, you can simply do this, enter key here, and you can simply add the key here, and you can simply type your account name, and you can simply add like this. You can simply copy it from here, and you can simply paste it in here like this, and your two-factor authentication is done. So that is it, guys. That's exactly how you can simply easily use the Google Authentication app to make the privacy and security strong, to enable two-way factor authentication method. So you can also do other stuff in Google Authentication app, like changing the account or transferring the codes from the previous devices by either scanning a code, or you can also import your code by scanning from this device or also from another device. You can either create a code and ask for other device to scan this device, and you can import the code from here so that you can scan from this device to other device like this. And you can also select which account you want to share or not share like this. Let's say I just want to share this account, and you can simply scan this QR code from another. Simply you can also check out here how it works and not learn about it like this. It's cloud syncing, and it is used to store unique code to sign in each time, and it's easy to set up. Just like that settings, you can also enable the privacy screen, which is enabled to access this app, which will ask you to enter either PIN or biometric. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this.